Alright, welcome to Shabit Uganda e-learning. My name is Nelson Bitswamba, and in today's video we are going to look at dealing with all the numbers, different numbers that we are able to remain with. For example, here the activity of place values. We looked at how we can find a place value of a number, and how we can easily tell and say that maybe our 2 is in place value of this. That is by arranging our numbers accordingly. So here we shall be able to look at another question. They always ask this question in different ways. So it's what we are trying to find out and to give the learners with different knowledge. When a number is asked in this way, our learner can be able to solve it. Okay, so here we have a question, and in this question they wanted us to find the place value of the digit 2 in each of the following numerals. So now here you can see they have asked to find only the place value of 2 in each of the following numerals. Okay, so these are the numerals that have been given, which means these numbers have been just combined together to come up with one numeral. Okay, so here they were able to combine 2, 1, then 4, 3 as a numeral, so it became that number. Okay, so here we also have a 2, 9, 8, also have a 4, 5, 2, this. Okay, so they want us to find the place value of only 2 in each of the digits. So following our arrangement, we should be able to know how can we be able to put our numeral in. We should be able to know how we can give these numbers place values, such that we can now be able to know that our 2 is in this place value. Okay, so we have our 2, we have our 8, we have our 9, we have another 9 here, and we have 4 here. So in giving place values, we are able to say that our first figure from this side, okay, from the left to the right, we give it a place value of 1. Okay, we give it a place value of what? Of 1. Then also our second value is given a place value of what? Of 10s. Then also this one is given a place value of what? Of 100. And also our next is given a place value of 1,000. Okay, that is TH. Okay, then our place value is also given, our last will be given a place value of from 1,000 we come to 10 what? 10,000. Okay, so in so reading this, we can now be able to place our 2. Okay, because here they wanted us to find the place value of the digit 2 in each of these numbers. So here we shall be able to say that our 2 is in the place value of what? 2 is in the place value. Okay, our 2 is in the place. So I'm just abbreviating it, but be able to write it in full. 2 is in the place value of, okay, 2 is in the place value of what? Okay, 2 is in the place value of what? Is in the place value of 10,000. Okay, in the place value of what? Of 10,000. Okay, 10, then 1,000. Okay, so this simply means that when we say our 2 times our 10,000, okay, 2 times our what? Our 10,000, this shall be able to be 20,000. Okay, it's going to be our 20,000. So that's why we can now be able to read our 2 here, and we say this is going to be 28,000. Okay, then 994. Okay, so here we shall have been given our 2 a place value. It is in the place value of what? Of 10,000. Also here, now this is our 2. 1, we have a 4, we have a 3. So when you look at our 2 here, this is going to be the place value of 1s, 10s, okay, then 100s, then 1,000, okay, 1,000. So this simply means that our 2 here is also in the place value. Okay, our 2 here is also in the place value of what? Of 1,000. Okay, you write it please in what? In full. It's in the place value of what? Of 1,000. So our 1,000 is written as 3 zeros. Okay, so that's how we can put our 2. Then also here we can also look at this. This is 1s, 10s, 100s. So here our 2 is going to be in the place of what? Is going to be in the place value of 100. Okay, what? 100. All right. So also here, when you come here at our 4, 5, our 2, and 9. So this is in 1s. Okay, this is in 10s, this is in 100s, this is in 1,000. So also our 4 is in the place value of what? Is in the place value of 1,000. Okay, 1,000. All right, so in simple terms, that's how we can be able to answer such a numbers. Then also here, when you look at our number 4, they are telling us to look at what is the place value of each of the underlined words. Okay, so let's also look at these underlined words and see each underlined words. It is the same. What is the place value of each of the underlined digits in the numeral below? Okay, so this simply means that we shall also still use the same approach. If this is in 1s, okay, we have a 2. Let me write it here. We have a 3. We have a 4. We have a 9. We have our 8. Okay, so this 2 of ours is the one which is underlined. So when we also give this one place values, so this is going to be 1s, 10s, okay, 100s, 1,000s, okay, 1,000s. Then this is going to be in 10 what? 10,000s. Okay, that is going to be in what? In 10,000s. So this simply means that our 2 is in the place of what? Of 10 what? Our 2 is in the place value of, okay, let me just abbreviate it. in the place value of 10. Okay, I'm also going to abbreviate this. The place value of what? Of 10 what? 10,000. This is H. Also here we can see our 5. Our 5, okay. Our 5 in the place value is in the place value of ones, okay. Then also here we see ones, tens, hundreds, then thousands. Then our 2 is also in the place value of what? Thousands, okay. Then we also look at our figure here. This is 1, this is 10. So we can say our 0 here is in the place value of what? Of tens. It's in the place value of tens. Also our 5 here is in the place value of what? Okay, we shall say our 5 is in the place value of what? Of tens. Okay, so this one is not part of them. Let us erase it. So simply this is how we can be able to solve numbers according to place value. So we shall be able now to look at another topic still on place values. We are trying to see how many or how best we can answer numbers concerning place values. So for this, I do say thank you very much for being part of this lesson, and be able to subscribe, to comment, such that we can be able to understand what we really need more for us to still move with you on the same line. Stay blessed. Nice moment.